We are looking at a don't know what year. We're looking at a Chevy pickup truck. I'll tell you what year in a minute. From Texas. It's very low rust. We're going to be selling the front clip, the cab. You get the whole front half of the truck for $1,800. You get the back half for $1,800, or $36 for the whole kit and caboodle. Well, let's check this out. Very nice. It's got a. This was a gas truck. Let's take a look underneath. That part looks really good. Looking good there. All the supports. Wow. Look at that. You gotta love Texas trucks. Not perfect. There's a little bubble here and a little bit there. Yeah, that's what it looks like from underneath. You get this. Let's open this up for you. See that? You get that awesome tailgate too. And it works good. It's more aerodynamic. Alright, let's close this. There's the only real troublesome spot. But underneath it looks great. There you go. Real nice toolbox there. Notice the real heavy frame. Real solid. All the way around. Somebody did a real good job with this. Let's look underneath here again. Again, underneath it's solid as can be. All yours. Well, thanks for looking.